Hi crafters, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and today I'm going to share with you a quick tutorial on how you can transform a chain such as the one I'm holding here from Beebeecraft and make a small charm bracelet out of it. Now I've measured this out to be 7 inches long because I happen to have a small wrist, and I'm only going to remove one link. You'll see that here, and it's just one like so. And then what I'm going to do is that on that very last link I'm going to add the little closure. So I'm going to take this one away, and you'll see here I'm going to take that little circle here and just open that up, and now I'll be able to take that and join it to the previous chain. And this is just going to allow me to use that same closure as I said before. So using that little link there, the circular one, I'm now going to add this piece here. And I'm sorry that I don't know the terminology, but I am not a jeweler. I'm a crafter. So I'm going to close this up using my tweezers very gently to make sure that I don't ruin the chain. But it's that simple. And now I'm going to proceed by adding charms, but here's how that closes now. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to take that off and put it on, and it's got that cute little bee that it came with. And now I've gathered some beads from my stash, as well as some gorgeous little charms from Beebeecraft. And I'm going to add these onto this chain, and the way that I'm going to do it is the same way that I added the closure. And I'm just going to count however many spaces apart I want these beads to be, which was every third little link, and that way I could have the same color beads on both sides. So I did a pearl bead on one end and a pearl bead on the opposite end, so you'll start seeing there the little pattern. But I wanted to let you know that all of the items that I'm sharing with you today you can also pick up by going to Beebeecraft. I'll have links in the description bar of this video as well as a coupon code, and then that way if you want to take advantage of any current sales or specials, you can. You're going to get your items very nicely packaged. They come very well protected in the mail. And just like me, if you're a beginner learner of anything that has to do with beads or jewelry or that sort of thing, you don't have to make the same kind of project, of course. If fashion jewelry is not to your liking, you can certainly use the same concept and then add a different ending to make a charm for a mini album. I've shared that on this channel before, or a sweet little keychain for a friend, anything like that. So I think these are very versatile items that you can add to your crafting, and they come together quite easily. It just takes a bit of patience if you're new at it. I've been learning through time, and just honestly, I'm very forgiving of myself because if I make a mistake, I try not to take it too seriously and remind myself that this is just for fun, it's for crafting, and I actually really enjoy the results of this. So now I'm going to speed through the video because it's going to be just repetitive, myself adding the beads here to the bracelet, but I'm very excited to share with you what the end results will be. I hope that you do enjoy this video. As I always say, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to respond. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. If you have been here already, I do appreciate you coming back, and I thank you guys always for your wonderful feedback. And I hope that you can be inspired and be blessed, and I thank you so much for watching.